Okay, welcome to week 7, lucky number 7. So this week you're going to read 2 big chapters. You're going to read chapter 4, civil liberties, and chapter 5, civil rights. And you have reflection assignments for both. Read these chapters. They are important. And it's a little bit confusing. So if you read the chapters, you're going to understand them and stay straight on these 2 things. So civil liberties are rights guaranteed to us largely by the first 10 amendments to the Constitution, which is the Bill of Rights, but they're civil liberties. Civil liberties are limitations on the power of government, and they're designed to ensure freedoms, and they're largely found in the Bill of Rights. Civil rights are guarantees of equal treatment by government authorities. Civil rights were attempted to be guaranteed through the 14th Amendment, which is one of the Civil War amendments. It discusses that in chapter 5. It does a great job. But it was not practiced the way it was written and intended. We see cases like Plessy versus Ferguson about segregation on public transportation that then gave us the separate but equal doctrine in something like 1897, which what we learned is separate was not equal, which how could it be? It's separate. So pay attention, read the chapters, pay attention to what they're saying. And also tomorrow is November 7th. So this is American government. I want you to know if your local poll has voting. And if they do, vote. Go there and vote. If they mailed a ballot to you, fill it out and take it to the ballot box. You do not have time to mail it. If you're not registered to vote, get registered. It doesn't commit you to one side or the other, but it gives you the ability to have your voice be heard through voting. So that's this week. Civil liberties, which are found in the Bill of Rights. Civil rights, which we see people like Dr. Martin Luther King, who was a fabulous warrior for civil rights and a fabulous warrior for the effectiveness of the peaceful protest. These are very important chapters, and they're integral parts of our government and our history of our government. So chapter 4 and chapter 5, 2 reflection assignments. Remember, 3 complete sentences each for your reflection assignment, each question. You can turn them in all as one document. That's how I have the assignment. Just both chapters, you just turn them in all as one document for the reflection assignment. And then make sure that you vote. Make sure that you vote. That's so important. Have a wonderful week. Reach out to me if you have questions. And remember, you still have a paper due from last week. So your paper that's due is your media coverage of the 2020 presidential election. So make sure you get that turned in. There was a 1-week extension because I sort of made you drink from a fire hose last week with the midterm and the paper. But make sure you get that turned in and your reflection assignments. Email me if you have any questions. Reach out through Messenger and have a wonderful week.